How to know if someone is busy on Snapchat call. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the chat option available at the bottom of the screen, and as you tap on the chat option, select the person that you'd want to call. Then go to the profile, and here you can see the option of the calling option. So tap on the calling option, and as you tap on the call option, it will start connecting you with that person. And if that person gets this option of calling, then that it means that the person is busy on the Snapchat call or some other work, but they are not receiving the call. Next, if they send you this message that they are busy right now, then that also means that they are busy on Snapchat call if they want to address it to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.